Hey hi friends, I'm back with new video. So in this video I gonna to show lens cup unboxing. So I purchased it from Amazon. The first link in description. So let's unbox it. So let's get started. So it's come with Amazon box. I am opening this box. So there is one more box inside, so you can see the box with lens cup image and company branding. So now opening this also. Whoa, it's our cup. It's looked like a lens. It has written Camion, so this product is made in China. So it is very heavy, so it has a cup for vapor. You can also use this cup for traveling. You can drink like chai, coffee, milk, etc. So this is portable cup. I do not tell to buy Chinese products. After using 4 days, I think that this product build quality is not much good. The cup inside made with steel and outer plastic. If you want to buy this. So I am adding water in cup. So swipe before you surf. If you want to buy or do not buy, so buy. I take care. Bye. Bye. I take care. Bye.
Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always.